Signals. Now just hear me on this. Signals. Just like a fire alarm in your house is a signal that perhaps you should leave. And if you don't hear that fire alarm, you may smell the smoke moments later, and then you really need to leave. Signals are just telling you that something needs to change. And so that relates to this door right here. We notice in this office, you may already know if you've been in this office, every time you open the door, you hear a creaky door. And to me, that's a signal that someone's probably coming out of this room. And it could be a signal that there is a dysfunction, a disconnection in the hinges of this door. Now we could do a couple of things. I could squirt some WD-40 on there, and that may take care of the squeak, and we won't have a signal for a little while. But will it actually fix the problem? We both know that's not the case. If I do check the level of the door here, I'm able to see that the door is actually sinking this way. I'm exaggerating, of course, but by just a little bit. And so my options could be squirt a little bit of WD-40 on these hinges, or I could restore the foundation of the door, taking care of the squeak. So pain in your body is also a signal. And if you're experiencing pain, my job is not to shut it off. It's just to help you be aware that it's there and that perhaps there's something in your life that could change and help you move to a place of optimal health. My name's Patrick Martins with Network Family Wellness Center, and I can help you. Peace.